Welcome. In this video, I will quickly explain how to fix slow charging on your TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus. So your device indeed has a fast charging technology built in, but it's only supported by fast chargers, charging brakes, whatever you call them, that can deliver at least 33 watts of power to your device. So you're gonna have to check for your charging brick. I really recommend using an original one which delivers an exact amount of power to your device and also is the most compatible one. But if you want to use the substitute, make sure that your cable doesn't have any visible damages. Also make sure that your cable is capable of power delivery of at least 33 watts power delivery, and also check the information of your charging brick. So if we take a look at this one, we'll be able to see this sign at the top of the specifications which says 20 watts 2-port fast chargers. 20 watts is less than 33 obviously, and that's why this charger will not fast charge this smartphone. So if you want to fix your fast charging issue, make sure to either simply buy yourself an original charging brick or just a compatible one which can deliver 33 watts to your smartphone. Connect your cable to your charger and the other side of your cable to your smartphone. You don't have to enable anything else in settings. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.